Hello friends, in our last video we have discussed about the sum and average, how to use that in SQL and in DSL. So in this video we are going to discuss about max and min in this table. So you can see we have this employee table and you can see we have the department and salary. Okay, so if we need to get the maximum salary of all department, so it might be 90,000. Okay, how to get that? And if we need to get the minimum salary of all department, how to do that? And if we need to get it department wise, what is the maximum salary from IT department? It should be 90. What is the minimum salary from IT department? It should be something somewhere 75. Okay, so how to get that in department wise? How to get in total? Okay, so let me get the total maximum salary of all department. Okay, so how to do that? Let me run first in SQL, Spark SQL. Here we'll run select maximum salary from EMP and then dot show. Let me run this one. This is the maximum salary from all department. So how to get minimum salary? Okay, so select minimum salary from all department. It is 45,000 and it is 90,000. Okay, so in DSL, how to do that? df dot max select, and then we'll use max, and then in bracket we'll use salary, and then show. Let me get from here. You can see 90,000. Okay, and we can use other way also, df dot aggregate, and then aggregate, and we'll use max salary dot show. It will show the result 90,000. And same things, you can see 1990. And same things if we need to get df dot minimum salary, select minimum, and here salary dot show. Okay, let me run this one. You can see 48,000. And similar way we can use aggregate also, and let me run minimum. You can see 48,000 is the output. Okay, 45, 90, 90. This is the total. It will calculate all department and it will fetch the maximum and the minimum. So now we need to get the department wise salary. Okay, so department wise maximum and department wise minimum. So how to do that? Spark dot SQL select department. We'll select department and first maximum salary from EMP. Okay, dot show. So let me get a department wise maximum salary, and we'll use group by department. Okay, and here we'll use alias as uh, depth wise max salary. Okay, so select department maximum salary as department wise maximum salary from employee group by department. So let me run this one. You can see the HR department has 55k and it's 75k, 50t, 90k. IT department has the maximum. And same thing we need to run Spark SQL, Spark.sql, and we need to get select department, and then we'll use minimum. Okay, and again salary as depth wise means minimum salary from EMP group by department. Okay, so let me show this one. So we have written select department minimum salary as department wise minimum from employee group by employee, group by department. Okay, so you can see department wise this is the minimum salary and the maximum salary. Okay, maximum salary and minimum salary. If we need to get it in DSL, how to do that? In DSL we'll use df.group by, and then in the group by we'll use department. Okay, and here we'll use aggregate, and here minimum maximum, and here we'll use salary dot show. Okay, so you can see it is the department wise maximum salary, and if we need to use minimum df dot, we'll use again group by and department as minimum salary dot show. Okay, so average minimum salary dot show. It has some issue. Dot aggregate minimum salary dot show. Okay, you can see, and if we need to use the alias, then as department wise minimum, you can see department wise minimum salary, and if we need to use the alias as department wise maximum, then as department wise maximum salary. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.